Hello everyone, class 9, chapter expansion, part 2, exercise 3.2. Okay, today we discuss exercise 3.2. Now, more applications of special product. More application of special product. So we consider a question number 2. It is given that x plus y equal to 10 and x into y equal to 21. Then find the value of twice x square plus y square. So see given x plus y equal to 10. Now to find the x square plus y square, so in this type question we simply squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So x plus y whole square equal to 10 whole square. Here we apply the formula a plus b whole square. So s square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 10 square is 100. Now here we see x into y is given 21, so we put x into y equal to 21. So x square plus y square 2 into 21 equal to 100. X square plus y square equal to 100 minus 42, we get 58. And here it is required twice of x square y square, so we multiply 58 by 2, we get 116. That is a answer. Next one, you see question number 8. If p minus q equal to 9 and p into q equal to 36, then evaluate the value of p plus q and p square minus q square. Like that type of question, we use the identity or formula p plus q whole square minus time p minus q whole square equal to 4pq. This formula, you can use this formula directly. Okay, if p sum of two numbers and difference of two number is given, and find out product of two numbers, or product of two numbers and sum of two numbers is given and required to find out difference of two number, then we use this formula directly. This is very useful formula. Okay, now this one is a very useful formula. So here we use this formula and simply put the value of p minus q and p into q here. So p plus q whole square minus 9 whole square is 81. 4 into 36, 144. Now transpose minus 81 on right hand side. After adding, we get 225. Now p plus q whole square equal to 225. We get square root of 225 is 15 plus minus 15. Taking the square root of 225, that is plus minus 15. In second part, you see that find out p square minus q square. So this is simply a formula a square minus b square. In first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a minus b. Here later are used p and q. So p plus q and p minus q. P plus q is 15 and p minus q is 9. 15 into 9, 135. But here p plus q is 15 plus minus 15. So we put in final answer plus minus 15. That is a answer. And this one is a very useful formula. Next one, you see if a minus b equal to 3 and a into b equal to 4, find the value of a cube minus b cube. Suppose that if difference of two number is given and required to find out cube of their differences or sum of cube, then in that case be cubing both side. If sum of two numbers is given and required to find out their square, then squaring both side. And also product of two numbers also is given. So in this type of questions, here we see a difference of two numbers a minus b is given and product of two numbers is given. So be simply cubing both side. A minus b equal to 3, so cubing both side or taking cube both side. So apply the formula a cube minus b whole cube. This one is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. In second bracket a minus b and 3 cube is 27. Now put the value of a minus b. A minus b is 3 and a into b is 4. So after solving, we get 27 plus 36. A cube minus b cube equal to 63. That is the final answer. Next, you see question number 17. If x minus 1 upon x equal to under root 5, find the values of x square 1 by x square, x plus 1 by x, and x cube plus 1 upon x cube. For that, see solution. We simply use the formula x minus 1 upon x root 5. So simply apply squaring both sides. X minus 1 upon x whole square under root 5 whole square. Here apply the a square plus b square plus minus 2ab, the 2 into x 1 upon x, under root 5 whole square is 5. So x is cancel out, we get x square 1 by x square minus 2 transpose on right hand side, 5 plus 2, that is 7. So first part answer is 7. Now we see find out x value of x plus 1 upon x. So apply the formula a plus b whole square in x plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x, we apply the formula x square 1 upon x square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is cancel out. Now put the value of x square 1 by x square. Here we see 7 in first part, to 7 plus 2, and that will be equal to 9. Now taking the square root both sides, so x plus 1 upon x equal to 3. Square root of 9 is 3. In next part you see the find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So we proceed from second part, x plus 1 upon x is given 3. Now cubing both sides, x plus 1 upon x equal to cubing both sides. Since if we have a sum of two numbers and one number is other numbers of reciprocal, so in that case you simply cubing both sides. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3x into 1 upon x within bracket x plus 1 upon x, 3 cube is 27. Since here is the formula a cube plus b cube, so a cube plus b cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in second bracket a plus b. Here a is x and b is 1 upon x. Here we proceed the questions with positive value of x plus 1 upon x. Okay, x cube then 1 upon x cube plus x cancel out, 3 into x plus 1 upon x is 3, 27, and now 3 into 3 9, transpose that 9 right hand side, 27 minus 9, that will be equal to 27 minus 9, x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to 18, and that is the one answer. If you take x plus 1 upon x equal to minus 3, so here is the sign is minus 27, and answer will be one more answer. Okay, so this is question number 17. Next you see question number 24. If x square plus 1 by x square equal to 27, then find the value of 3x cube plus 5x minus 3 upon x cube minus 5 upon x. For that we arrange these term. So we arrange term containing 3 together and arrange term containing 5 together. So here 3x cube and 3 upon x cube kept together, and 5x minus 5 upon x kept together. In the first bracket we taking common 3, in the second bracket we taking common 5. So we have x cube minus 1 upon x cube, in second bracket x minus 1 upon x. Now we apply the formula a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube formula is in first bracket a minus b, in second bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Here a is x and b is 1 upon x. So x minus 1 upon x in first bracket, in second bracket x square plus 1 by x square and plus x into 1 upon x, and second term is same, 5x minus 1 upon x. Here x is cancelled. Suppose that this one is a equation number first. Now we have given x square and 1 upon x square equal to 27. So with the help of this we try to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. We try to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So x minus 1 upon x whole square, expand the whole square of x minus 1 upon x. So we get x square 1 upon x square minus 2x into 1 upon x, using the formula a minus b whole square. X is cancelled. Here we put x square plus 1 upon x square, 27 minus 2, that is 25. After taking the square root we get plus minus 5. Now this value x equal to plus minus 5, suppose that this is 2, so from 2 and from 2 put the value in equation number 1 using 1 and 2. Okay, so x minus 1 upon x, only we take positive value, you can solve also with negative value. Okay, so we take this value and put this in equation number 1. So we have 3 into 5 with positive sign, and second bracket x square 1 by x square already given is 27 plus 1 and plus 5 x minus 1 upon x with positive value 5, so 15, and that will be 15 into 28 plus 25. After multiplication, here 420 plus 25, you get 445. In answer sheet one more answer is given with minus sign. If you take x minus 1 upon x with minus sign, so you do yourself with minus sign. Now you see question number 28. If a equal to 1 upon a minus 5, then find the value of first part, a minus 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a square. For that we see it is given that, so this can be written as a equal to 1 upon a minus 5. After cross multiply, a square minus 5 equal to 1. Now we divide the each term by a, so a square by a, 5a upon a and 1 upon a, both side, each term by a on both side. A square by a is a cancel out, 5 and 1 upon a. Now transpose variable one side and constant one side, so a minus 1 upon a equal to 5. Value of the first part we get. Now we require to find out the value of a plus 1 upon a, so a plus 1 upon a, this is the whole square minus a minus 1 upon a whole square equal to 4. This one is also formula. Earlier we explained a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Here a equal to small a and b equal to 1 upon a. So ab, if you find a into b, in that case a into b, a into a will be cancelled, so product ab value is 1. So therefore here is a 4 only. Now a plus 1 upon a whole square equal to a minus 1 upon a. From first part you know the value a upon 1 minus a is 5, so 5 whole square equal to 4. A plus 1 upon a whole square equal to 4 plus 25, that will be equal to 29. Now taking the square root on both sides, to plus minus root 29, that is the answer. In next part you see third part, a square minus 1 upon a square. It is required to find the value of a square minus 1 by a square. So that is a directly formula, a plus 1 upon a in one bracket, a minus 1 upon a in second bracket, and we know that the value of a plus 1 upon a is under root 29 and a minus 1 upon a is 5. So final answer with plus minus sign 5 under root 29, that is the answer. Okay. Next one, you see the question 30. If x equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, find the value of this root x plus 1 upon root x. So for that be taking first one value, be taking the reciprocal of x. Now this one here is this one is an irrational number, so we rationalize the denominator with opposite sign. First we find value of 1 upon x, so in numerator 1 into that number will be same, no change. In denominator see a minus b, a plus b. Here is the a minus b, suppose 5 is a and 2 root 6 is b, so a square minus b square, 5 plus 2 root 6. Now 5 square is 25, and after solving under root 6 means whole square 6 into 2 4, that means under root 6 into 4, that is 24. So 24, So 5 plus 2 root 6 whole divided by 1. So x is 5 minus 2 root 6 and 1 upon x is 5 plus 2 root 6. Only sign is change. The sign is change after taking conjugate. Only sign is change when value are same. So if you require to find out the value of root x plus 1 upon root x, for that be taking whole square of this. So a square root is over 1, b square again root is over, then 2ab, the root x into root x, that will be cancel out. A square plus b square, root is over and 2ab. So x plus 1 upon x, put the value of x plus 1 upon x, 5 minus 2 root 6 and plus 5 plus 2 root 6 and plus 2. So 5 minus 2 root 6, 2 root 6 cancel out, 10 and 12. So taking the square root, we get the value root x plus minus under root 12, or after taking factorization method, that is plus minus 4 into 3, square root of 4 is to 2 root 3. That is the answer. So in this type of question, you take conjugate of the number, then the squaring the required. Next one, you see question number 34. If a plus b minus c equal to 5 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 29, then find the value of ab minus bc minus ca. So for that we only use the formula a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab bc plus ca. Here are three terms. First term is a plus b plus c, and suppose that second term is a square b square c square, and third term is suppose that ab bc ca. So there are three terms, and if you know the value of two terms, then directly apply this formula. Any two, if you know the value of any two terms, then directly apply this formula. There is no confusion with sign. You take the value with sign. Suppose that capital A is A, capital B is B, and capital C is small with negative sign of C, means minus C. So a square plus b square and capital C, suppose that this is capital C with negative sign of C square, then 2 a into b within bracket b into minus c and c into with sign minus c into a. So you see, this one is a square plus b square plus c square twice of ab minus bc minus ca, and here is a plus b minus c whole square. So here we put capital A equal to A, capital B equal to B, and small b, and capital C equal to minus small c. Now put the value of a plus b minus c, that is a 5, that means 5 whole square, and a square plus b square plus c square is 29. So 2 ab minus bc minus ca. So 25 minus 29 equal to twice of ab minus bc minus ca, and this will be ab minus bc minus ca equal to minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. So that is, this one is the final answer, ab minus bc minus ca equal to minus 2. That about today we discuss about the exercise number 3.2, and here we give some question and solve some questions. Now rest of questions you do, and if you have any doubt, then ask through the WhatsApp.